clot, but little IG followers and them think them a celebrity. So, I'm gonna celebrity you acknowledge. Where Jake don't like you. I'm gonna sing your thing. Me do every blood clot thing. Me cuss. Me preach. Me counsel. Me a mother. Me a wife. Me a queen. I want to your popcorn. Get a hold of your dirty blood clot self. You're gone too far. How you this? How you insult? And think on Africa kill blood clot me. Remember me telling the bomber all that. Till death do us blood clot part. Cause me, never gonna stay silent. And anybody will send me any blood clot shit. My life up on your blood clot head. You hear that? Fuck you feel like all little IG followers. Make you think you feel I am a celebrity. What the fuck are you alone a celebrity? You're just a singer. All of this, the people them that hear your song, them not remember you. Me interact with my people them popcorn. Every day. Me pray with them, me cuss with them. Me cry with them, me sing with them. Move your blood clot. You think me don't know my words? Move your ugly blood clot. Picky forehead. Where?